From divine Sister of the Light Judith Kusel, I greet you with love, joy, and with a deep knowing that we are shifting today, beyond the beyond, or whatever has been before on this planet Earth, forevermore, and into a totally new life and new beginnings in the 5th and 7th dimensional state. You cannot move, and have in the last few days and continue in the next months, fully move into those highest consciousness states and light-filled bodies and fields, if any part of you is still embodied and embroiled in the old. For even as the old has disintegrated and will continue to do so, you too are going through the same processes. For all is one. What happens to you happens to Mother Earth, and what happens to Mother Earth happens to you. Yes, you would not have a physical form if you were not of this earth, and of Mother Earth, as well as spiritual and soul body, with all 12 if you were not of the cosmos, the galaxy of origin, and thus this physical universe, as well as the omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient source from whom all life, visible and invisible, all souls, visible and invisible, manifested and unmanifested, sprung or were birthed forth. You embody heaven and earth. I have been made aware of this Omni-Versal fact so profoundly this morning, and felt that oneness with all that is, so intensely, and dissolving into it all. In German, the word for Omniverse is simply das all one, for all embraces all that is. This word has always touched me deeply, even as a child. For me, this word always embraced wholeness, oneness, and divine source itself. This is indeed what this portal is all about. A deep and profound soul return to the experience of the unity, oneness of all. We can only experience this when we are synchronized and as one within ourselves, and only then will it be felt and experienced without. The within and without then embraces all, it is all. I was called into a vast intergalactic universal meeting last night, and there gathered were all the Christed races, the cosmic elders, the elders who surround the throne of grace, and all the masters, the avatars, the Chohans, and so much more. For there are 352 tiers of creation, and only then the higher realms beyond what our human mind can even comprehend, but our soul knows into the very depths of its being. And all those present focus their unified love and attention and intention upon the earth and all of humanity. In simple terms, what this means is that the new earth and the new golden age and the new 7th root race of Hu Sun Man is fully anchored in now. For one, all means that what happens at the core of Universal One happens in the earthly planes too. For planet Earth was never alone and never separated from the rest. All is one. By divine decree, the new golden age is here. This Lion's Gate then anchors us all in forms, ways, expressions, which are far beyond our human conception or ideas or even knowledge, but now lifted into the total all, and this is what we are birthing into, to know and experience and become. This is gigantic. To me, this opened up the greatest inner truthful knowing that we now need to surrender all which has ever been before, all past lives and future lives, into the one. For in truth our soul does not differentiate between the past, present, and future. It only knows the infinite now. We will only now suffer when we try to relive the past, or when we cling onto anything, aspect, fraction, or memory of the past. For in this present moment, all is being reshaped, reinvented, rebirthed. This is why the whole Omniversal councils are here now. The whole company of heavens and suns beyond suns, the 12 and 24 central suns, way beyond our extremely limiting knowing on earth, and which our monads are fully merged with now. Let go of the old you. It no longer serves you, nor does it serve any purpose, other than soul lessons mastered along the way, and what your soul has gained from experiences in the old earth. And in this moment, experience fragility, innocence, the purity of the true soul, you, as you fully embrace your own divinity. This is the return to innocence. More than this, words fail me. Let your own soul speak. Let your own soul know. Let your own soul rise in its profundity. From JudithKusel.com.